Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your video plays but there is no sound, it usually means there is an audio output, settings or device issue preventing audio from playing. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix no sound on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing you have to know that no sound is usually device or settings related, common on TVs, browsers, and Bluetooth setups, and it's often quick to fix. So focus on audio output and settings. Okay, so check volume mute. Okay, so you have to check the volume of your phone. Okay, make sure nothing is muted. Simple but often overlooked. Okay, so restart the video too, like pause and exit the video and play it again. It resets audio playback. You can also restart your device, restart your TV, phone or computer. It clears temporary glitches. You can check audio output device, like if you are on phone or laptop, make sure correct speakers or headphones are selected. On TV, check sound output settings like TV speakers versus sound bars. So wrong outputs means no sound. Okay, you can check audio settings format, like audio, go to audio settings, switch between PSM stereo or Dolby Digital. Okay, this fixes compatibility issues. Okay, or disconnect Bluetooth devices to turn off Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Maybe audio may be routed elsewhere. Okay, so as the last option, you can do it like update the app, go to your app store, updates Prime Video. This fixes audio bags. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.